Welcome to Mr. Nold's setting up an open sample program. This is the first thing you have to do in Robot C to get yourself started. So always want to go to File and then Open Sample Program. When you go to Open Sample Program, if it doesn't take you right to the right spot, you may have to go back on this address. Make sure you're in Sample Programs, Vex2, and then PLTW. Once you open up one of these templates, the very first thing you have to do is not leave it at PLTW template. Zach, then you need to save as, and in my case, I want to go to my OneDrive, save it into a folder I would want, and now instead of PLTW template, I can give it a new name such as motor exercise. That's why I use EX because I don't know how to spell exercise. Let's say this is the 10th one we're doing. Okay, then I click save. Now I'm ready. Now you are ready for your 4 steps, and that involves the robot tab. Don't forget the most important step. All 4 of them are important, but motor and sensor setup, that's where you will get your pragma statements. So when you set those, you should see this before you start coding at all. Any questions, as always, talk to Mr. Nold, expert YouTuber. Well, kind of YouTuber. Hi, can I help you? That's it.